that it's starting to transform right there. That's right.
I think this is very fashionable too.
That's right. You're making a fashion statement and a health statement.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, so you Hey, it's Lance McGowan and
Anoushka Dannon with For Your Reputation.
And today we're at the Vintage Market here in Downtown Summerlin, and we're going to check out a lot of small businesses here and just check out everything from fashion to food. What are you looking forward to most here today?
Ooh, you know I'm looking for those fun fashion items that you can only find here. And if you guys can't make it down here this weekend, make sure to check them out because they will be back in October, Downtown Summerlin.
There you go. And for everyone else, get to enjoy some awesome, fun videos with just checking out vendor booths. It's awesome to kind of see how other businesses are helping each other out in the vintage area.
Hi, I'm Mindy. I'm with New Vintage Handbags. We're here at Vintage Market Days, and these are our Louis Vuittons. So we source these. They're actual vintage. A lot of them from the 1990s. We get them in from our sources, have them authenticated, and then we have a local artist. So they'll do art, they'll do fringe, beading. You can even bring your own in and do it. So that's us.
Anoushka, thanks for visiting us in the camper. This is Rosie.
I'm so excited to be here. Yeah.
Oh, cool. We're in Las Vegas right now. I'm the camper chef. And you know what I do? I cook in front of my camper. This is not my camper. This is Lisa's camper. She's a good friend of mine. She restores these little ones. So I'm going to do an interview with Rita in the camping trailer, and it's going to be awesome. Rita, join us.
Hi! Welcome to our regular vintage trailer. We've got solar power and we've got a 2-burner stove here, so it'll be an awesome place for our gourmet chef.
And who's going to cook it?
Camper chef! Yes!
So we're going to do a little road trip. I'm going to go visit Rita in California, and she's going to be in one of my TV shows. So we're doing a 10-episode series of Camper Chef, a whole bunch of cookbooks. I'm traveling throughout California and Nevada, and it's fun, and we're gaining a lot of followers on Instagram, so hashtag Camper Chef on Instagram, and it's cool. Cooking along, traveling along, we'll take the kids with us, and we'll show people that it's possible to cook a healthy meal and pastas, and I also bake bread out in my camper and stuff, so
Wow.
it's all cool and all fun. So follow us.
Yeah.
info@camperchef.com is the email address. That's the website. Instagram is #camperchef, and then Camper Chef Community on Facebook. So feel free to follow me, and I'll tell my management to follow you.
So I'm here at Vintage Market Days, and this amazing top that I got at the event last year, I actually got from Jennifer, the Wandering Wagon. Jennifer, can you tell us a little bit about the Wandering Wagon, where we can find your stuff if you can't make it to Vintage Market Days?
I have Instagram and Facebook, and it's under the Wandering Wagon. I do lots of different events like pop-ups. In my hometown, I'm from Idaho, and I just try to have something for everyone, like higher end stuff to just something for everybody. So it's like all price ranges. And I just like individual items. I don't have a lot of one thing. I will order just like a run of 6 in of something so that it's an individual, more boutique style. So you don't look like everybody else. It's very individual.
Awesomeness. Cool. And we have her card right here. Boom. And then all of her information is right here. Check her out.
It's not dehydrated.
Okay, so this is some pineapple, sun-dried. Oh yeah, that's really good. What do you think? Okay, we got another, there it is right there. Boom.
Nothing added.
What was the one that we tried earlier?
The tangerine.
Tangerine?
A lot of vitamin C.
Okay, yeah. That was really good too. So we got dehydrated. We also have some baked goods here. So we got coconut chips.
Spicy one.
We got spicy. We've got some, what is this? Pomelo? Nice, interesting.
Only the peel. Also.
Only the peel. We've got kiwi, star fruits, tangerine again,
Pineapples with flavors added.
pineapple with flavors.
And we carry the hibiscus, which is our best seller.
Hibiscus is the best seller. Oh, interesting. That's cool. And the, where did you say you were available at?
Las Vegas Premium Outlet South, and we also do farmers market at Downtown Summerlin from 9 till 2.
Okay, awesome. And that is the company right there. Awesomeness. Cool.
My name is Laura Tellers, and I am the owner of Heat Rush. What we do is we have a heat pack right here. You press this little button, and then it'll activate the heat instantly.
Oh, that's cool.
Stays hot for 1 hour in those ones, and up to 4 hours in the bigger size we have.
And we're going to do a demonstration here. Oh, there's the bigger size right here? Okay.
Yeah, so we have like this one right here. It's a stadium seat. Stays hot for about 4 hours. Same system. You just press the button right here, and it gets all hot.
Whoa, look at that. That is really cool. And you can mold it around and move it around
Yes,
and all that good
yes.
stuff. That's awesome. And so you have a face mask
Oh, we have a face mask.
that Anoushka is going to demonstrate. Here we go.
Okay, I press the button. And this is good for sinuses.
Yes.
This would be amazing. So I think you just...
Oh, look at that. It's starting to transform right there. That's right.
I think this is very fashionable too.
That's right. You're making a fashion statement and a health statement.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, so you can see it is starting to warm up in the areas and moving up right there.
Ooh, it feels good. That feels great.
Is it? Nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. This would be great for headaches too.
Yes.
Headaches, migraines, opens the pores, relax the muscles,
Wow.
sinuses.
Yep,
Yes.
okay, there you go. Awesome, and then it's rounding up the top there. Awesomeness.
It's great.
Get another shot here. Boom.
Ooh, we gotta get this.
Coolness. All right. And then where can everyone find these awesome products that heat up things?
Heat Rush, you can find it under heatagain.com. This is our website. You can buy wholesale, retail. We do private label as well. You can put your own logo, phone number, email, website, and you can use it like a promotional product as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.